You wake up, scroll your phone. Eat, work, sleep, and repeat. Days feel empty. Life feels meaningless. But Allah asks you directly in this verse.
أَفَحَسِبْتُمْ أَنَّمَا خَلَقْنَاكُمْ عَبَثًا وَأَنَّكُمْ إِلَيْنَا لَا تُرْجَعُونَ.
Did you think that we created you without purpose, and that you would not be returned to us? This question from Allah isn't a rebuke. It's a wake-up call. Every soul on earth was created for something more than survival. You weren't born just to chase money, fame, or comfort. You were sent here with a divine assignment. To know Allah, to worship Him, and to live a life that reflects His guidance. When you forget your purpose, life starts to feel heavy. You lose direction, peace, and joy. Because your heart was never designed to live without meaning. But the moment you reconnect to your Creator, everything changes. Your work becomes worship. Your struggles become steps toward Jannah. Your life gains weight, real weight. So when you feel lost, don't chase distractions. Return to the one who made you. Because that's where purpose begins again. Comment, Ya Allah, help me live with purpose. Save this for the days you feel directionless. Follow for daily Quranic purpose and reflection.